What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to Pavlov because the last video I made, honestly, pretty bad. Hopefully you can guys hear me well, because I don't have a mic yet, but I'm going to try to. And yeah, my first video, yeah, you couldn't watch it if you're under 18, because I might have done some violent things in that. Other than that, we were pretty fine. And yes, I'll let you freaking see my freaking, what my freaking username is. There, usually. Okay. What we're gonna show you. Yes, I'm talking to you. This is okay. Just a cool artificial. Help for beginners. Yes, you guys can join me. That's my username, okay? If you're not friendly, that's my username. Okay, now let's go into the video. I'm sure what I use. These are the mods I use. You guys need to get these mods. Yeah, especially if you're new. These are pretty good mods. I would love them, trust me. Look how it's a lot of stuff. Santas, saints, different. So fun. This who knows, you know, yes, there's one going to be you guys know why you think that. Oh my god, why am I from my freaking friends? But you can friend them with me. Alright guys, if you're from some friends who are because I haven't seen for just a long time. Yes, I'll try to say this for people that have fun. Finally, we've done it, boys. Okay, so we're in the world of Pavlov. Yes, you guys might not. You guys think this is not a good for my friend is. So clearly I have a mod that makes me changes the vehicles and stuff. So first we'll start with the hardest telly. And it's this seat. That's true. That seat up there. It's pretty hard to see. Pull everything up. And then we just in the air. Now the front step is a bit high. And yes guys, I can't see where I'm going next. Go back. Okay, let's just put that. Okay. So guys, we'll hop into it. This is a bit more effective. We can go up here and just backwards. Okay. It's pretty easy on this. Now, we'll start hardest. Pretty hard to fly. It's kind of because that camo thing. This is a transport. Just pull up. That does nothing, by the way. It's just a point seat. People just move to stick forward, like that happens. So don't do that, it's what you're trying to do is you or thumbsticks. Yeah, sometimes you put one over. Just go for the thumbsticks forward and just let just move it forward. Yes, you can do that. There's a pipe. I don't really need it. You can't do backflips on this one, or else you'll just crash. For example, see, you can't do backflips. Well, you can. Yes, it's a bit dangerous. Here's something you don't want to see. Because it does dodge people, and it does lots of helicopters. Lightning to hopefully this guy's views. I'm gonna do nothing to that, but oh, there's one for the Huey. They kind of ran impossible for the Huey, but now we got the attack. We're gonna use the attack heli this time. Like this transport heli. So if you hold your right trigger, this would happen. Press your left trigger, going backwards. Yeah, it's basically just an attack heli. It's kind of useless. And it's only good for like, let's just say my voice, let's just say there's intruders in the freaking hospital and my squad needs help. So we'll come, we'll come on. This I haven't for a long time. That building right over here, that giant building on Griffins. So the enemies are in there. These machine gun shoot through walls. They wall damage. So I just do this. This is what we call it in this part. This is what we call air strike. That's an airstrike. I'm just gonna crash here. And we'll see you guys in the next one. And that's all for me today. And yes, see ya. Bye.